The floor decking machine adopts hydraulic drive, which can be automatically cut off after forming, without deformation and waste, and has a high coefficient. Rollers adopt high-quality 45 steel forged parts quenched and electroplated. Improve the hardness of the rollers and prolong the service life of the machine. Working speed could reach 10 m a minute. Rolling thickness 0.8 to 1.5 millimeters. Main motor power adopt two 11 kilowatt reducers. Length sizing accuracy plus or minus 2 millimeters. Hydraulic cutting is more steady. Rotatable touch screen, easy to operate. Cutting blade adopt CR12 move. Improve cutting blade life. Machine adopt hydraulic cutting. Machine work more steady.